Hello guys, welcome to Sumukha Infotech. This is our second class in the series Corejava. In the last class, we had learned basic structure of Java programming. In this class, let us study how to perform input-output operations in Java. Let us get started. Okay, make sure you have selected your folder. That is, in previous class, I had created my Java programs on my desktop. So it is having one class, one program, first.java. Okay, select this file. It will launch the IDE JCreator. Okay, so this is our previous program, a simple program to display a statement. We had learned what is comment, how to import the classes, how to define a class, and how to define a method, attributes of main method, and simple output statement, that is system.out.println. So let us create a new file by selecting the file, new file. Okay, let the class name be findsum.java. Okay, so let me recall once again the basic structure. It begins with documentation section. Let me write one comment. This is my second Java program. This is the documentation section, and then write import statement, import java.lang.star. Fine, and define the class with name findsum. Class is a keyword, findsum is class name. Within the class, let us define our main method, public static void main string args. Okay, let us declare variables int a comma b. So what are variables? So variables are the elements which represents the memory location of RAM. Here we use variables to store the data. For example, I have taken two variables a, b of type integer. Let me assign a value to a by writing a is equal to 10. Let me assign value 20 to b. Let us take one more variable, sum, and let me add a and b using the plus operator. So variable sum will be having the value a plus b. Now let us try to display the output. So we know standard output statement in Java is system.out.print, system.out.print. So I will use the variable name sum. This is a simple program. Let me compile the program. Okay, I got the message process completed. When we get process completed, it means everything is fine. Let us execute the program. Yes, 30 got displayed. Let me add println. Instead of print, let me use println. Okay. So whenever you make changes, make sure to compile the program before execution. Yes, 30 got displayed, and next to 30 we got the message press any key to continue. Okay, now let us modify this. Along with 30, I want to display the sum of a and b is 30. How to do that? Here the sum of a and b is a string constant, so you need to write in double quotes. Sum of a and b equals. After this, I want sum to be displayed. In C, we used to use conversion character %d. Here, we don't have such things. Just we need to concatenate. How to do that? By writing plus sum. We concatenated this string constant. That is, sum of a and b equals is called string. Anything which is written within double quotes is called a string. It is a string constant. Plus means it is a concatenation operator. Sum is a variable. So what happens here? this string constant gets concatenated with this sum. Sum is an integer variable. It gets converted to string and gets concatenated with this string constant. Let me compile the code. Okay, let me execute it. Yes, sum of A and B is 30. You can see the output. It is visible here. Sum of A and B is 30. Now let us try to display. In place of A, let us try to display the content of A, and in place of B, let us try to display the content of E. That is, let us try to display sum of 10 and 20 is 30. How to do that? Here, sum of A is here. Let me close the string here, sum of. After this, I want to display the content of variable A. That's why I will concatenate A. After A, we have space here, space followed by and. Again, it is a string constant. You need to put one more plus here. Plus means concatenation. And B. Let me close my string constant here. Let us concatenate the variable B. After that, equals has to be displayed. Let me concatenate the remaining string constant. Okay. So let me explain how it works. Sum of is string constant. After that, the value of A gets concatenated, and after that space and space gets concatenated, and then the value of B gets concatenated, and then equals and so on. So this is how we create a statement by concatenating string constant with variables. Let me check how it works. Compile the code. Execute the code. Yes, we can see sum of 10 and 20 is 30. Let me change the content of variable. Instead of 10, let me update it to 100. Compile the code. Execute the code. Yes, it is coming. Sum of 120 is 120. So this is our simple Java program to perform addition operation on integer variables. Now let us discuss how to read a data from the keyboard. In C, we used to use scanf statement to read the data. Here we have a predefined class called a scanner. So with the help of scanner class and its predefined methods, we can read the data from the keyboard. So let me show you how to read the data from the keyboard using the scanner class. So in the first class itself, I had explained all predefined classes are part of a package. This scanner class 2 is part of a package called utilities. So first I need to import that package. Import java.util.star. Instead of star, even you can write the particular class name which you need. This is also possible. Fine. Scanner. I have imported the predefined class called scanner. Here, to use scanner class in my program, I need to create object of scanner class. How to do that? Class name followed by object name. Object name can be anything. Let me give CN. When I do this, an object gets created with nothing in it. It will be having the value null. In Java, memory gets allocated for the object when we use the new operator. Let me show how to do that. Cn is equal to new scanner. Okay, so let me explain once again. Scanner Cn, by writing this statement, I have created an object with a null value in it. It is having nothing, empty. To allocate memory to that object, I am using this new operator followed by this constructor. What is constructor? We will discuss it later. So, or else we can combine these two things in one line. Let me show. Scanner Cn is equal to new scanner. This is also fine, works. And one more rule is there. You must initialize this Cn object with predefined data member in. How to do that? System.in. So in is a predefined element which is static data member of system class. We need to initialize Cn with in. Why we need to initialize, I will explain such things later. Just you understand that we need an object of scanner class to read data from the keyboard. Okay, let me change these two values. Let me delete it. Okay, now let me write one output statement: system.out.println enter two integer numbers. Fine. This is the output statement. When user enters two values, I need to assign the first value to variable A and second value to variable B. How to do that? In the LHS, write A. In the RHS, use the object name cn, and we have a predefined method called nextInt. Let me call for B also, cn.nextInt. Fine. Let me check how it works. Compile the code. We should get the message. Yeah, process completed. It's fine. Run the code. Execute the code. Yeah, we got to see. Enter two integer numbers. Let me give 12. Enter 45. I have given 12 and 45. Yeah, sum of 12 and 45 is 57. Even you can give negative numbers too. Irrespective of the sign, it is an integer. Let me give 100, the first number be 100, minus 45. I should get 55, the result. The sum of 100 and minus 45 is 55. So this is how we can read data from the keyboard using the scanner class and its predefined method called nextInt. And system.out.print, it is a standard output statement in Java. So this is how we can perform a simple operation. Hope you did understand this. Try to practice this program. In the next class, I will come with a new concept. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.